The portable A-frame cart with storage rack is ideal for storage and transporting pipe, conduit, and other types of bar material. Storage arms extend 12 inches beyond frame with a clearance of 7 1/4 inches between arms. Unit rolls on 2 rigid and 2 swivel 5-inch poly-on steel casters with brakes. The blue base has baked-in, powder-coated toughness, while the storage rack is zinc-plated. Overall deck size is 36 3/4 inches wide by 72 inches long. Storage rack is 72 1/2 inches high with 8 storage levels. Storage arms extend 12 inches beyond the frame. Maximum capacity is 2,000 pounds. The portable storage A-frame cart is the ideal storage handling cart for transporting electrical and plumbing material.